Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your EA account. So let's get started right away. If you haven't already verified your EA ID after signing up, then open up your web browser first, and then in the address bar type in ea.com and press enter. Now you will be taken into the official Electronic Arts website. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner, and if you see the sign in button, click on it and use your credentials to log into your account. After logging in, click on the same profile icon and then click on Account Settings. Now you will be taken into your account settings page. Now within your account settings page, underneath About Me section, you will find your email address. If you don't see the verified option alongside your email address, you will find the Verify Now button. Go ahead and click on this button and you will receive a verification code within your email address. So check your inbox and you will find the code that you are supposed to use to verify your account. Just enter this code within the verification box, and then after entering this code and clicking on verify, your email account will be verified, and you will also see the verified icon alongside your email address. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to verify your EA account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.